Is this seat taken?
Oh no.
Do you mind if I sit here?
No, I don't mind.
I don't think we've met. I'm Peter.
I'm Jennifer. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks, and yourself?
I'm good, thanks.
Do you live in New York?
Yes, I live here. Questions.
Excuse me, do you have the time? Do you know what time it is? Excuse me, are you going to the restaurant? You seem a little lost. Can I help you find something? Pardon me. Do you know what time this store closes? Are you a friend of the bride or the groom? Looks like you have a lot to carry. Do you need a hand? Sorry to bother you, but where is the meeting? Sorry, but do you know what time it is?
It's 10:15.
Great, thank you. Do you study physics?
Yeah, I do.
Nice, it's really hard though.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Peter. What's your name?
My name is Jennifer. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure. Where are you from?
I'm from Lisbon.
Lisbon. Are you Spanish?
No, I'm not Spanish. I'm Portuguese.
Oh, you're Portuguese. Sorry about that.
No problem. Where are you from?
I'm from New York, but I'm not American.
No, what are you?
My parents were Danish, so I'm Danish, too.
That's very interesting. Denmark is a beautiful country.
Thank you. It is a wonderful place.
Comment on the surroundings.
I love indoor plants. It makes the room much nicer. When did you attend school here? Do you know when the next bus will leave? I'm so sick of this rain. Is it always like this here in winter? That's a nice design for a kitchen. Do you remember the last name of the professor? This place looks great since the renovation. It's so hot today. How are you coping with the heat?
Find something in common.
I've been thinking I'd like to travel next month.
That's interesting.
Yes, I can't decide if I should visit Japan or Korea. Do you play music yourself? What subjects are you studying this year? Do you play an instrument? Who do you think will win? Is that a new camera? It looks amazing. Have you tried the birthday cake? It's delicious.
Give a compliment.
I really like your hat. Did you get them near here? Is that your car? I really like it. That is a really nice glove. Can I ask where you got it? You have a beautiful dog. That's a cool-looking tablet. Is it easy to use? That's a nice shirt. The color looks good on you.
Extending the conversation with more questions.
What are you doing here?
I'm here for the conference.
What company are you from?
I'm with the sales team from Walmart.
That's really interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, most of the time.
What do you like about it?
I get to travel to nice conferences like this.
What brings you here today? So, what do you do for a living? Are you from this area? Do you come here a lot? Can you recommend anywhere good to eat around here?
Asking for opinions.
What do you think of restaurant?
It's really nice. I especially liked the fish. Did you?
I don't know. What do you think? Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Closing the conversation.
Let me give you my email address. If you're ever in the area again, it'd be great to meet up.
Feel free to call me if you want to hang out. Here, I'll give you my number.
Well, if you ever want to chat again, I'm usually here every Tuesday morning. Sorry for taking up so much of your time. Do you need to take off? Let me know if you need to get going. I don't want to take up all your time. I just realized you're probably in the middle of something. Do you have time to chat? I really enjoyed our chat. Thanks so much. I had a great time talking with you.